This video will show you how to easily scan or take a photo with your smartphone and upload your file directly to D2L using the OneDrive app. It is highly recommended that you use the methods described in this video to ensure that files can be opened and viewed by your instructor. From your phone's App Store or the Google Play Store, search for OneDrive. Click on the icon to download the app to your phone. It is a free app. To sign into your Student Office 365 account, enter your star ID at go.minstate.edu. Next, enter your star ID password. Next, a multi-factor verification box will open. Follow the steps you would usually do with this verification to complete the login. An important tip: it's a good idea to create folders for each of your classes in your OneDrive. If you have not done this yet, click the plus sign in the upper left corner of the screen and then select Create a Folder. In the pop-up box, name the folder with the same name as the class, and then click Create to finish the process. Now you're ready to start scanning documents or taking photos. To begin, look for the scan icon in the center of the bottom of your screen. This is the scan button. A camera access pop-up will open, which you will need to allow for the app. And then, using the scroll tool at the bottom, you will choose whether you are scanning a document, a whiteboard, a business card, or taking a photo. You should also see a flash icon in the top right corner. It's a good idea to use the flash to make sure you get enough light on your document or photo. You can set it to on, auto, or off. After completing the scan, you may first see a couple of beginning editing tools that you can use if needed. This includes rotate, retake, and crop or reset. Then, at the bottom, you will choose Review and Edit to finish the process of editing. When done, choose Finish. You'll then be taken to a Save dialog box. The last step is to name or rename the file and save it to the right OneDrive folder. Next, we'll talk about uploading your file to D2L directly from your OneDrive. Since we have been using our smartphone, we will continue to do so for the next task. First, you'll navigate to your class and to the place where you need to upload your file. Let's first get access via the Normandale website. First, you'll go through the normal process of getting to the D2L login page, and once in, opening your course. Next, you will want to find the area to upload the document you just created. This could be an assignment folder or a D2L discussion board. We will discuss both. To upload an assignment, we will first choose the assignment tool in the navbar. Once there, we click on the assignment folder we want to upload to. Once the folder is open, look for the Add a File button and select OneDrive Files. From here, you will see all the folders and files in your OneDrive. Note that you may need to use the arrows in the upper right-hand corner of the screen to navigate to see more folders. Select the folder where your file is stored. Click the box next to the file and click Add to select it for your submission folder. Be sure to hit Submit as the final step in D2L and look for your confirmation email. If you need to upload a file from your OneDrive to a D2L discussion board, you will do the following. You will first want to go to the Discussions area. Then, find the topic you will post to, and then create a new post. Give your post a name. Scroll down and find the Add Attachments option. You may have to unhide the option. Next, you will want to select Choose Existing. This will connect you to your OneDrive Files option. Continue with the same process as you did previously to add a file in the Assignments area. Once added, you should see the attachment below the Choose Existing button. Before you post, you will also want to make sure to add some text into the post box above that we forgot about. You should now be able to post. Well, that ends our tutorial on how to use the OneDrive app to scan and upload documents to D2L. If you have any questions, please call the Normandale IT Help Desk at 952-358-8181 or send an email to its/helpdesk@normandale.edu. Good luck in your courses, and thanks for watching.